Welcome to Excel Beginner Guide to Mastering Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will cover the basic of Excel and help you get started on your journey to become an Excel expert. Let us start with basics in the MS Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from organizing data to performing complex calculations. Whether if you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to keep the track of financial, Excel is an important and incredible useful tool. When you first open Excel, you will see a grid of cells, each identify a unique combination of letters and numbers. So these are we call as cell. So you can see in each Excel sheet there is a cell. This is a cell. So this cell we call this intersection of rows and columns. So the column named by alphabet A, B, C, D and so on. The row named as 1, 2, 3, 4 in numeric number. So this is the cell, the place where you are going to enter the data. A very important thing you must know in MS Excel is the name box and the formula bar. What is this name box? The name box is the indicator, the current cell name you can see here. For example, you are selecting this A1. So the first one column name, second one row name. And here you can see the value. In formula bar, you can see the value. Suppose if you enter the value 400, 500, 600, here you can see the value of the cell. You can see the value of the cell. So a cell may contain the two type of input. One is value, the another one is formula. What is this formula? The formula we are using for the calculations. Example, suppose I want to add first three numbers. So how do I do that? You start with the equal sign. Let us put 400 plus 500 plus 600. So you can press enter key. You can see the answer in the cell, but in formula bar you can see the formula what we have been used for getting this result. If you want to edit the formula, you do not type directly. You have to press F2 for editing your cells. So don't forget it. You press F2. So before you start editing of your Excel cell. So here I have used constant value. So you can also use the references. What do you mean that references? The references is nothing but the name of the cell. I have already explained the name box. What is it? So in that name box, you can find the name. Example, here we have three values. If you want to add all the three values, you need not to type the value directly. You can use the references. Let us say A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now you see the result of the formula. So you can use either directly the constant value or you can use this references also. So this references we called as a relative references. We called as relative references. So we have another one type of references is available. Suppose we can select this value and press Ctrl F3, F4. You can see this.